Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall 7-zip and reinstall cleanly later step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Windows search bar on your taskbar. Type in Control Panel and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, select Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to find 7-zip. Once you find 7-zip, click on it to highlight it. Afterward, click the Uninstall button located above the list. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation process. Wait a moment while 7-zip is removed from your computer. Once the process is complete, close the Programs and Features window. Next, it's important to remove any leftover files. Open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. Navigate to the folder where 7-zip was installed, typically in the C:\program files \7-zip. If the folder still exists, right-click on it and select Delete. Now, open the search bar again and type in %appdata %. Press Enter to access the appdata folder. Look for any 7-zip related folders and delete them as well. Next, close the File Explorer window. To ensure all components are removed, consider using a third-party uninstaller. Download and install a program like Revo Uninstaller. Run Revo Uninstaller and select 7-zip from the list. Follow the prompts to remove any remaining files or registry entries. After you have ensured everything is uninstalled, you can reboot your computer. To reinstall 7-zip, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official 7-zip website. Download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install 7-zip cleanly. After installation, you can confirm the successful setup by searching for 7-zip. You have now successfully uninstalled and reinstalled 7-zip cleanly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.